In the metals quadrant, taking a look at a drop in the July silver contract. The July silver contract was down 4% today, finishing the week out basically directionless. Yesterday's silver was up 4.25%, and today we erased almost exactly the same amount. The high today, 30.90 half, was up about 0.25%, 27 basis points to be exact, and the low today was 29.50 and a half. That was down 4.27%, and we finished the day basically on the lows, up about 0.25% from those lows. On a weekly basis, silver was up 4.86%, but finishes the week up only up 0.33%, so gave all that back from what it gained earlier in the week. And it actually finished the week lower than its own gap open from the beginning of the week. This is not a bullish type of week in terms of price action after rallying last week following 3 consecutive previous weeks of lower prices. The dollar had a great week again in the aggregate, completing its 3rd straight week higher and 4th higher in the last 5. Lately, precious metals, specifically silver, have been honoring their inverse correlation to the US dollar on a much more regular basis than their traditional inverse correlation to yields. But no matter, since on a weekly basis, US Treasury yields were basically up about 6 basis points across the board anyway. Not a big move, but certainly doesn't defy the inverse correlation as we saw silver drop towards unchanged throughout the week. Seasonally, silver is in one of the weaker months for silver. June is one of the weaker months for silver, but July is one of the stronger months from a seasonal perspective. Silver tends to fall in June and then rally through the month of July, with a pause in the first week of August and then a resumption of the rally to the end of August. Of course, seasonality is not a trading strategy, but certainly something to be aware of going forward for silver.